Good morning, everybody. Michael Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. We're out here in this absolutely stunning backyard in Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, the capital, folks. We're out here in this swimming pool. This pool had a depth conversion. It had a Baja step. It's got a color LED light. It's got automation, so it has all the bells and whistles, but it's very simple overall. It's got this beautiful porcelain deck you can see here. It's covered in plastic, but I'm gonna turn the camera over here to Mr. McCarthy. Mr. McCarthy is just gonna explain to you a little bit about the process with working with Above and Beyond throughout this job and how it's gone.
Hi, Ryan McCarthy here. Really enjoyed the process working with Above and Beyond. It's been very seamless. Showed up very timely. Enjoyed getting to know all the people that we've been working with. Had a chance to go out to the facility, look at the materials being used, and are really excited for the pool and the pebble to be going in today.
Sir, we appreciate your business. You've been absolutely amazing and wonderful in all your communication, and we couldn't do it without you.
It's been great working with you. Appreciate the process.
Thank you, sir.